How many times have you gone to the store and you couldn't remember if you needed milk or not? Well, what if I told you your fridge could remember that for you?
Welcome to Samaritan, your smart refrigerator. As you can see, this particular refrigerator detects objects in real time using real-time object detector model that we trained, and it uses a weighing shelf which measures weight of the objects placed within it. It can also detect objects taken out of the refrigerator.
Yeah, and you can see that that information is streamed real time to our web app. So you can access it any time from the cloud. When you're at the grocery store and you don't know if you have enough milk or not, you can always feel free to look at your app and see how much is in the fridge. As you can see, once it's removed, it takes it off of the active list and actually adds it to your grocery list, so you don't even have to think twice about it.
In the event that we can't detect your object, we instead scan its barcode and still get all the information we need. As you can see, we've created a seamless user interface powered by React. React is a popular JavaScript library used to build modern web applications. We've interfaced with Firebase, Google's cloud platform, in order to leverage their database, Firestore. Additionally, we've integrated with ChatGPT in order to generate brand new recipes based on what you currently have in your fridge. We also generate a random image to accompany that recipe. We generated our images using the popular DALL-E 2, and as you can see, the results are great.
Here we built the weight sensing shelves using 3 force resistors, which was interfaced with an ESP32, and it communicated with an NVIDIA Jetson Nano via a serial USB port.
In order to calibrate these force resistors, we took a few measurements of known weights and used MATLAB to fit a cubic polynomial through these points.
In this project, we use a deep learning ResNet 18 model for the object classification. In this video, you can see how we collected the data to fine-tune the deep learning model.
Taking that data, we then trained on a discrete NVIDIA GPU, and then we demonstrate the performance here. As you can see, the image classification is near real time and achieves really high classification results.
To tie everything together, we built a seamless user interface as a progressive web application, or PWA, in order to bring the mobile app experience to users via a web app. As you can see here, whenever items are detected, they are added to the graph. The y-axis here indicates the weight of the item, and you can see the corresponding label for that item on the x-axis. When items are removed from the fridge, for simplicity in this project, we assume that means they have been used up, and so they are automatically added to your grocery list so that the next time you're at the store, you know exactly what you need.